Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talk Tuesday. I'm your host Corey, and I want to try and give you guys an experience you may not have had yet on YouTube. I hope you have it. I hope I'm the first I can deliver to you. What this channel is about is giving you, the viewer, a combination of both technical and personal growth. Whether that be with learning new technology or maybe learning the basics of something you've wanted to learn. More recently, I've started to learn things like Ansible. Things I never really had a chance to learn, but I did know PowerShell before. So I've done a lot of growing in that aspect. But also things that can make your daily work, your working environment, maybe, a little bit easier and a little bit more manageable for you. I recently began to work from home permanently over the past year. And not just because of the global pandemic. This is going to extend beyond. I'll be sitting here in my home office every day working. And right now it won't be as bad because I have my better half downstairs. She's working as well, but she's going back to the office. And I have two cats who need all of the love, every last ounce of it, which I'm more than willing to give. But I'm also having a baby in 6 months. So there's a lot that's going on for me, and the ability for me to figure out ways to make me feel like I'm at work and also at home, but comfortable doing the same thing, and not feel like I'm trapped in a box. Make me stay motivated, for example. That's what I want to try and give you. The technical things that I learn that you can adapt to your career and your everyday life, as well as a way to make your space wherever you're at, be it in the middle of a dining room or even in your own personal office, your space. On this channel, we're going to cover things like technologies such as Ansible, PowerShell, servers, technology, Kubernetes, but we're equally going to cover little things you can do in your area to make it yours and to keep you motivated, to keep you wanting to learn more. That's the goal here, and that's what we're going to strive for. I hope you guys like the channel. I hope you like the content. Let me know. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help out. I'm more than happy to hit on a topic maybe you haven't heard somebody hit on, or maybe somebody didn't hit on the way you wanted. Feel free to let me know. Talk to you guys later. Peace.